Perplexity CEO says the future of AI may move from cloud to devices. Arvind Srinivas, the chief executive of Perplexity AI, has shared a bold vision about where artificial intelligence is headed. According to him, the long-term future of AI may not depend on massive cloud data centers, but instead on intelligence running directly on personal devices. Today, most advanced AI systems rely heavily on centralized servers. These facilities consume enormous amounts of power and require constant data transfer between users and remote machines. Srinivas believes this model could gradually change as AI models become more efficient and capable of running on-device. Why on-device AI is a game changer? Running AI directly on phones, laptops, and personal computers could fundamentally change how users interact with technology. When intelligence lives on the device itself, processing can happen instantly, without the delays caused by sending data to distant servers. This results in faster responses and a smoother user experience. Another major advantage is privacy. With on-device AI, personal data does not need to leave the user's hardware. Information stays local, reducing dependence on external servers and giving users greater control over their data. Personal AI that learns with you. Srinivas describes local AI as something similar to a personal digital brain. Instead of repeatedly sending the same information to the cloud, the AI can remember preferences, adapt to habits, and improve over time, all while staying on the user's device. This approach makes AI more personal, efficient, and user-owned. Such intelligence could retrieve and process information dynamically, using local data only when needed, without permanent reliance on centralized infrastructure. What this means for data centers. If powerful on-device AI becomes widely available, it could challenge the current dominance of data centers. While large facilities will still be essential for training massive AI models, their role in everyday AI usage may shrink. The industry could see a shift from centralized intelligence to a more distributed, device-centric ecosystem. This transition raises important questions about long-term investments in large-scale AI infrastructure and whether future spending will shift toward chip design and edge computing instead. Still a work in progress. Despite the promise, Srinivas acknowledges that this future has not fully arrived yet. Current devices are still evolving, and truly powerful, reliable AI models that can run entirely on local hardware at scale are still under development. However, when this breakthrough happens, it could mark one of the most significant shifts in the AI industry. Looking ahead, the idea of AI moving from the cloud into users' pockets represents a major turning point. If realized, it could redefine privacy, performance, and ownership in artificial intelligence, and potentially reshape the entire technology landscape.